Listen up, it's World Swag.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? We about to check out what's going on with that Meg Thee Stallion case. Apparently, her friend got immunity in court today. So, I really don't know what's going on yet, but I'm going to watch the video with you guys, and we're going to figure out what's really going on with the case, what happened in court today, and, see what's going on. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, here we go.
Video, make sure y'all smash that like button, and if y'all not subscribed to this channel, make sure y'all subscribe with post notifications turned on. Now, as we all know, the Megan Thee Stallion and Tory Lanez trial has started, and Megan Thee Stallion already is lying on the stand. When Megan Thee Stallion went on Gayle King and did that interview, and Gayle King asked her, "Did you sleep with Tory Lanez?" She paused for a second, and then she said no. Straight up lied.
Did you have an intimate relationship with him?
Like sexual?
Yeah. Did you, Megan, did you have a sexual relationship with Tory Lanez? Yes, that's my question.
I didn't have a sexual relationship with Tory.
You lied on national TV. Megan said yes. He said, you lied to Detective Stockman. She said yes. He said, you lied about having an intimate relationship with Tory. She said yes.
So as y'all can see, Megan Thee Stallion been lying about her relationship with Tory Lanez for a long time. And not to say that this whole case is about their relationship, but it do make you think. When a person lies, what else is they lying about? She even lied about stepping on glass, and then she turned around and changed the whole story.
So when you told the police you stepped on glass, did they believe you?
I don't know.
So how did you go from the glass, did you go to the hospital?
So they took me straight to the hospital, and the police questioned me, and I said it was just glass.
You still stuck with that story?
I stuck with it was glass.
She was asked, were you intimate? She said yes. She was asked, were you exclusive? She said quite happily no. Then they asked her about her relationship with Kelsey. She said that she's known Kelsey since freshman year of college. How do you know her? How would you describe the relationship? I found her answer very interesting. She said, I quote, "We did everything together."
Now, she wasn't lying about that. They did everything together because her and Kelsey was smashing Tory Lanez. Now, maybe not at the same time, but they both was getting smashed by Tory Lanez. And it seems like Megan Thee Stallion got a little jealous.
I know that I ain't never wanted none of your It was really, come to find out, your ass was with a nigga behind my back that I was on first. And that ain't right, because you supposed to be my best friend.
So as y'all can see, Kelsey has confirmed that her and Tory Lanez was messing around. So TMZ reported an independent witness told cops they saw Megan Thee Stallion and her female friend Kelsey fighting moments before Megan was in the foot. A piece of evidence Tory Lanez team feels cast serious doubt.
So what I'm hearing right now is Kelsey might have shot Megan Thee Stallion, and she's already got the prosecutor to give her immunity in this case. So if she comes out and say this, she gonna possibly get away scot-free with a crime. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. And if the prosecutor didn't know what was happening and was tricked to giving her immunity, thinking that she was gonna say something else, but she really comes and says, "I did it." You know what I'm saying? How they gonna handle this? So we gonna see what happens. You know what I'm saying? A little bit later in the future, but as of now, we still in the middle of the court case.
Out on what Megan said about him being the hitter. During Tuesday hearing, a detective testified this independent witness who allegedly saw the happen claimed the muzzle flash went off closer to Kelsey than Tory. Now let me just say this, and this is all speculation. Being that Megan Thee Stallion and Kelsey was the one arguing over Tory Lanez, Kelsey might have been the one to let off them things, if y'all know what I mean. And Tory
Exactly what I was just saying.
We just might be taking up for her because he don't want to snitch on her. I mean, that's just my theory. That's just my speculation. But the security guard that was actually there, that seen everything go down, spoke out And this is what he had to say.
Tory and the girl in the car start arguing. Meg walk out because she find out such and such. Tory been messing with both of the women in the car. You know how that go already. Tory got in trouble. Meg hops out the car. Tory and the girl fighting over the excuse me. Tory and the girl fighting over the accidentally goes off because Tory already knows what the girl is trying to do with she's trying to shoot Megan. The accidentally goes off in the midst of them fighting for it, and the girl and the bullet accidentally gets near Megan. That's why it didn't hit no tendon, because it grazed her. It didn't actually hit her.
Now that was allegedly Tory Lanez security.
And that story sounds exactly about right now. That they was fighting over the gun. It makes sense that Tory and Kelsey was fighting over the gun because Kelsey was about to shoot Megan or act like she was going to shoot her. We don't know, but she was fighting for the gun. And the gun went off and accidentally hit Megan Thee Stallion. So, yes, that's why Megan Thee Stallion could be possibly saying, yeah, Tory shot me. You know what I'm saying? Because in a way, she don't really know who shot her. I mean, if they was fighting over the gun, they both tested. And I mean, shit, I guess y'all gonna have to split the charge, right? Because nobody's gonna say either one did it, but it happened. And I mean, unless it's a video we can see exactly which one pulling the trigger, how it happened. But I don't think there's no video of that. Obviously, it would have came out already. So yeah, we about to see what's gonna happen. But let's finish this video.
That was there the night everything went down. Now the security is basically saying that Kelsey was the one with the gun, and Kelsey was the one that was trying to let off on Megan, and Tory Lanez was trying to stop them. Now today, Kelsey had to take the stand, and she came in stating that she's invoking her right to testify because she don't want to get herself caught up.
Kelsey took the stand. Before she even started talking, there were fireworks. This started with Kelsey coming in and saying she is invoking her Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and not testify. When someone invokes the Fifth Amendment, they have to be invoking it because if they were to testify, they would be giving testimony that incriminates themselves. She said, I will not testify because I would be giving testimony that I'm incriminating myself. That's what it means when she invoked the Fifth Amendment. Now, the government offered her immunity. They said that we will not prosecute you and use this testimony against you, so please testify. Her lawyer came back and said, well, that's not good enough. I don't want you to just not use her testimony against her. I want you to confirm to me that you will not prosecute her for any crimes arising out of this instance, out of this situation. The prosecutors said, yes, on the record, we will not be charging Kelsey for anything that came out of this incident. And then she testified. I'm going to go over the whole testimony in the next video, but here's the piece that we just left off at lunch. The courtroom is, they asked her, at one point, did Tory ever say that I'll you? And she said, I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right, which suggests, they asked her, what's the context? When did he say I'm going to you? She said, I invoked the Fifth, which suggests that the context was Kelsey was doing something, perhaps Meg was also doing something that would incriminate her. That's the context. That's what I get from it. That's my opinion. That's my read of it.
Now, what I get from this whole situation and what Kelsey just did is that she's protecting Tory the same way Tory was protecting her at the scene. Because Tory going through this whole situation probably knowing that Kelsey is the one that let off those, you feel me? So at the end of the day, she helping him out by not giving any information on that stand.
But I really think that her people should advise her until this is settled, and then you can tell your side. That's when you talk.
I agree. I think during a pending, a trial, a case that's in progress, it is a mistake to kind of show your cards. But I also kind of feel for her because she's been getting dragged like she's the one that shot somebody. They treat her like she's on trial. She's not. He's on trial, not her.
But that is just public opinion. Yeah. Which, until the facts are stated and they come out, she should have kept everything that she possibly can in her file cabinet, that if he committed a crime against her, that they can prosecute him to the fullest extent of the law.
Now that y'all seen that and heard that, stroll down to that comment section, Tell me what y'all think about this crazy situation between Megan Thee Stallion and Tory Lanez. I'ma just say this. I think it's a blessing that the judge made it where Tory Lanez cannot respond, tweet, or say anything back to Megan or about these interviews. And the reason why I think it's a blessing, because she crashing out, she making herself look like a fool, she messing up the whole case, and Tory Lanez, right now, he looking like an angel in this situation. To be honest, she digging herself a deep hole that she ain't gonna be able to get out of. But with that being said, make sure y'all smash.
Yeah, that's the end of the video. Shout outs to In the Streets TV. Yeah, I hope y'all like it. Pretty much, he pretty much had the same idea of it as I did. So, yeah, I guess I'll make a video tomorrow, elaborate on the story. Thanks to everybody for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.